Hello, everybody. So, today I wanted to share with you some really exciting news in case you happen to be working in an industry that uses Photoshop. So, I wanted to share this information because it may be very beneficial to you if you happen to need Photoshop running on a Linux computer. So, as you can see, Adobe Photoshop 2025 installer is now working on Linux with a patched version of Wine. Now, an open source developer has worked through the last of the issues preventing the Adobe Creative Cloud installers for Windows from running on Linux via Wine. With pending patches, Adobe Photoshop 2021 and Photoshop 2025 are expected to install and run on Linux. Now, open source developer PhialsBasement worked through Adobe Creative Cloud installer issues due to some Wine incompatibilities around MS XML3 and MS HTML. He commented that Photoshop 2021 and Photoshop 2025 at least are installing now on Linux with the patched version of Wine. Now, when it comes to running the actual application, Adobe Photoshop 2021 in particular appears to run rather robustly, according to comments. As they said, Photoshop 2021 itself runs butter smooth. Only issue I've had is drag and drop, but that could just be my Wayland stuff. Now, this pull request with the patches, though, was opened up for Valve's downstream Wine repository rather than the upstream winehq.org GitLab repository. So the Valve Wine pull request closed, with the developer instead having to pursue upstream Wine first. Hopefully, these patches are in good shape for upstreaming in Wine proper soon for improving the Adobe Creative Cloud and Photoshop experience on Linux. In the meantime, there is this GitHub repository if you're wanting to use the yet to be merged code. So if you want to go to that repository, I'm going to include a link for it in the video description. But if you click on it, it's going to take you to this GitHub page, which will fix the Adobe installer so that you can install it on your Linux distro if you're using Wine. So I really thought this was interesting and hopefully is going to be very helpful for the future because if they've already figured out how to get Photoshop 2021 and 2025 to install, then this is going to be great. This is going to open it up so that other Adobe applications are going to work under Wine and they're going to be able to figure out all the different years of Adobe programs. So then you could easily make that transition from Windows to Linux or Mac to Linux. Either way, you're going to be able to run all your Adobe programs right on Linux without any issues, as long as you use Wine. So I hope that was helpful to you all. If you do happen to have any questions, or maybe you just want me to go into a little bit more depth about this, please let me know down below in the comments, and I will do my best to get back to you. And if there's a video, topic, article, anything you'd like me to make a video on, please let me know that down below in the comments as well. And I will do my best to create that video for you. And if you found this helpful and you'd like to support this channel, I left a link in the video description where you can buy me a cup of coffee if you'd like to. And as always, because you all do such a great job, if you can, hit that like and subscribe button so I can keep putting up more great content like. Did you know that they were able to get the Adobe Photoshop 2021 and 2025 to install on Linux by using Wine? And I'll be more than happy to keep putting up all this great content for you all. Thanks so much, everybody. I really appreciate you all. I hope you have a great day. Take care. God bless. And I'll see you all next time. Bye.